In this video I'm going to show you how to use the calendar events section of Curriculum Enrichment Organiser. From the main menu screen, click on calendar events, and as you can see we've got a number of different options to choose from. Let's work our way down from the top. If we click on view calendar, it will show you in monthly calendar view format all of the events for the current month. Now, as you can see, I'm showing you this in the middle of the school summer holiday, and if I go back to the previous month, after a couple of seconds delay, you can see we've got the events for that month, and we can also change months by clicking on the next and previous buttons or the today button here. Now, if we wish to see more details for a particular week or month or whatever, there's various ways we can do that. Now, for example, right, you can see on the 21st of July that it says more. That's because there's more than 3 events that actually will fit in on that particular day. Now, if we wish to look at the week containing the 21st, we click on view week, and you can see that we've got a number of items there. Some are all day, some go over more than one day, the items in green on the right hand side, and on the 21st there are 3 part-day events and 1 full-day event, which is why they wouldn't all fit on the screen there. If we change here, we can now change to day view, and we can also do this from the previous monthly calendar. And if we click on day view here by clicking on the header, right, you can see the events for that day in a little bit more space than before. Now, on any of the 3 screens, month view, day view or week view, you can add new events or edit events very easily. Now, for example, if you wish to add a new event, one way of doing it is just to click on the add new event screen here. But if I click on a particular slot, as you can see here, I clicked on the 12 o'clock slot and it automatically has gone to that day and that time. If I instead wish to click on the all day spot here, I can then add a new calendar event, this time an all-day event here, and I'll just put down here London visit as an example, and then I can select the type of activity here and click save. And once I do so, it takes a few seconds to do that. New calendar event saved. Do I want to create another event? No. It will then go back to the particular the month view for that particular event, and you can see that London visit's been added and been added there in the all-day events here. Similarly, if I wish to edit an event, I can do this as follows, either clicking on that button here, right, or on a particular event here. I'll select this one here and I'll say London visit to Madam Swords. And once I click out that box, I can save as before. Now, if I instead have clicked on the edit calendar events screen button here, we end up with the list of events for the particular month we were looking at by default here, and we can in the same way scroll through all of these and select the event that we wish to do, so wish to edit here. And in this case, that visit now is no longer going to take place. I will delete it. And if we go back to the view, it's no longer there, obviously. Okay, you can print any of these screens here, the monthly view, and similarly for the weekly view and the daily view, you will get something that looks very similar to the screen version. And if I just come out of that and close this screen here, I've already shown you the edit calendar events screen, and you can also get to it from this menu here. Similarly, you can click on a new event from this screen here. If you wish to edit the categories, which are shown up in different colours on the various different calendar view forms and reports here, you can add a new event, change the colour as you wish. Number of other items at the bottom, okay, can be used. Now, import calendar events will try to find other calendar events in various different places within the database. If we do this, it recommends that you back up the database, and I would normally suggest you do so, but to save time here I'm just going to click no, and it will then import calendar events from various different tables where such data may exist. Now, the possibility is there will be duplicate events, and it will try to remove those, but it's also suggested that you check those and if necessary remove others manually yourself. You can do that very easily by clicking this button here. I won't do that now. Now the last screen on here, clear all calendar events, obviously should be used with great caution because it will do exactly that and they cannot be reinstated afterwards. However, to make sure that it's as obvious as possible that there's something there that you want to think about, right, you have to enter the administrator password and that is supplied separately. I'll click cancel and nothing has been deleted. You've seen the main parts of the calendar events section here. I hope you'll find that useful. Thanks for watching.